Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your screen brightness on Nintendo Switch. To do this, you'll need to be in the main hub. Then you'll need to guide your way like this by moving this button right here to the system settings, which are located right here, pressing A, and from here you'll be able to select with the same stick button screen brightness. You press on it with A, and from here you can enable automatic brightness like this or disable it like this, and if you go down a bit you can do it manually and just adjust your brightness to your preferred option. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.